different. I wanted to do a comparison between the DIY brand and the generic brand of the exact same canvas. The only difference really is the size. Again, I just wanted to do a comparison. I'll flip them over for you, of these two. So I had originally ordered and I didn't know, but this was the DIY brand of they call it a sexy beauty, but I call it a pinup girl, um, for mechanical stuff. So here she is. This is the DIY brand. I will re-show it to you. It is in my unboxing video for Paint Some Way. So I had messaged Paint Some Way to talk about this. I'm like, I didn't expect it to be one this small. So this one is a 30 by 45 and it has 22 colors. That is it. So everything that you see here for words, it looks like I haven't even started yet, but on the canvas, it looks like a giant mess. You can kind of read, grease lightning, express, kind of see the lightning bolt. But again, this is only 22 colors. Please explain to me how this would look great with only 22 colors. So again, I will show you. So they're the exact same colors, basically. Here's the canvas. I had ordered a larger one, but this is it. Like, it looks, this is all blurry. The only thing that you can really tell is the female, I'm going to call her the pinup girl. The words are so blurry that even on the image, like, you can't. No, no, no. I will probably just wash this and use it as my testing Ada, because no, no. So these are the 28 colors. The colors are beautiful, or the 22 colors. The colors are beautiful. Don't get me wrong, but there's only 22. So yeah, nope. So I emailed again, Paint Some Way. I talked to them about it, and they shipped me a brand spanking new one that is also a larger in size. So I'm just going to toss the DIY over there. It is in the crinkle bag. So here we go. Here is the huge difference. Put that one there again. So unlike the DIY where it only has the 2 needles inside, this brand, thimble, threader, your 5 needles with the pom-pom, which I'm just going to put on that desk. This one, look at the difference in the detail. You can actually read the writing on here. Thankfully, this one was not folded while wet, so I can clearly see all the print. This one has 38 colors. 38 colors. And it is a 50 by 70. That is the big difference between DIY and the generic brand, DIY and any other brand out there. I do have some DIYs that I want to work on just to see how they'll come out. But yeah, there's a big, big, huge stinking difference between them. Like, you can see the words here. I will show you the canvas. Again, I got this for my partner. I was really excited for it. Here's another difference. So the generic brand, the no-name brand, whatever you want to call it, they should be branded. It's serged, but look at the details. Look at the detail. I am holding it sideways for you to see because it is big. Again, 50 by 70 and is an 11 count, 191 by 278. Even the image here, the writing is a tad, skewed, but you can clearly see the pinup girl. Yeah, you can see the writing, the grease lightning, the lightning bolt that's here. Yes, the background I believe is, it's 310, but you can see it's a train, but you can see the train wheel here. behind her. It's like all here. That is, I just wanted to do this video just to show everybody the difference between a DIY brand. If you get the DIY brand, don't, just please don't. Here are the 38 colors. As you can tell, there were no extra skids of color or hanks, whatever you want to call it. Look, I'm going to just put that there and open this up. Like, never mind. I'll just do it on my desk. It's fine. It's clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Because this is the background. And you can clearly see that this is the background color. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 7. This is 7 extra skids for this. Sorry if I seem very upset, but this was one that I really wanted for my partner, and I did not want the DIY brand. So I'm going to say this, Paint Some Way, your customer service is amazing. Thank you so much for getting back to me. Thank you so much for giving me a different brand. So here is number 37 and 38. And then here is 1 to 18. They only gave like one strand for number 7. Sorry, for 17, 18, and 3, because those are the ones with the most colors. Here is 19 to 36. See the difference? And even the floss feels different. I will probably use that floss for another project if I ever, I get another one, or if I run out. I will use that floss. Don't get me wrong. It will be used. But yeah, so this video was just to compare the DIY to the other brand, because there is a huge difference. Sorry, lovelies, as I was saying before, my brother so rudely interrupted me as I was recording because he didn't realize it. There is a huge difference between the two. Again, I'm going to say thank you, thank you, thank you, Paint Some Way, for getting back to me as soon as I had this complaint. You want the best possible outcomes for your cross stitch. They're not cheap. Every cross stitch, I won't lie to you, every cross stitch that you see that I've unboxed, it's all my money. It is literally all of my money that goes into it because I am now obsessed. So when you see me unboxing, Paint Some Way, any other brand, uh, it comes, it's all from my pocket. So, and I'm doing all of this for you, for my lovelies, for my family, for everybody who enjoys cross stitch and even diamond painting. You want the best, just the best that you can get. That's all really. I hope everybody has a good night. Sorry about the passion in my voice. It's just whew. Again, hope everybody has a fantastic night. I might record something else later. I'm not 100% sure. Just because my brother is visiting from, I'm going to say it, from across the province. So I don't really get a chance to see him. Again, I hope everyone has a good night. I shall see you later.